Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone on Slack. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who, let's say, are just been starting on Slack, and then they want to invite a team member to Slack. So make sure to stick around. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now here we are on our Slack channel. And in order to actually invite someone to Slack, what we're going to do is that we're going to click on this Add Coworkers button. So if we click on Add Coworkers, it's going to give you an option to actually invite their Gmail or add from Google Workspace. So the third way to actually add someone to your Slack channel is that you can actually copy this invite link and actually send it to them. So essentially, there are three ways to invite people to your Slack channel. Again, just to reiterate, first way is to enter their Gmail account here, or you can add from your own Google Workspace, or you can actually copy the invite link. So normally when I invite people to our Slack channel, I simply just have their email and then I just enter it within here and then click on send. So that is the easiest and best way I've seen to actually go ahead and invite someone to your Slack channel. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.